Okay, today we're talking about replacing a rotten fence post. So here is a general list of tools and supplies you need. Let me be clear. Obviously, everyone's situation will be a little bit different. You know, what's your budget? What's your skill level? What's your time frame? Are you going to do the work yourself? Do you have help? Do you have access to a skid steer with an auger bit? Are you going to use a shovel and pick? Do you have soft soil, hard soil, decomposed granite, etc.? So again, this is a general list for folks to think about. When I've replaced fence posts in the past, I use this concrete mix because you do not need to pre-mix it with water. You simply pour it around the new post and add water as you pour it in and mix it with the stick. Woo! Works great. So here are the general steps to replacing a rotten fence post. Again, every situation is going to be a little bit different, but basically you'll need to detach the fence panels from the rotten fence post, and then you should be able to gently swing the fence panels out of the way a few inches. You may need to support the fence panels so you have room to dig up the old post and dig up the old concrete. A word of caution: be very careful when you dig up the old concrete. There may be sprinkler pipes, buried cables, etc. down there. You might even call your local utility company and ask them to come out and mark any utilities by the fence post that you want to replace. So just be mindful of that as you're digging down. And then you can use a hammer to break up the old concrete. Wear PPE, safety glasses, safety gloves, work boots. Once you get the old concrete out of the hole, pour a little bit of gravel in the bottom of the hole to facilitate drainage so you don't rot out your new post. Set your new post in the hole, center it, make sure it's level in all directions, front, back, left, right, and then slowly pour some of the concrete mix around the post. Add a little bit of water, add more concrete mix, a little more water, and mix with a stick or an old broom handle or an old piece of pipe or a pry bar as you go. And when you get to the top of the hole, you want to have a nice smooth mixture. There shouldn't be any dry spots. And I like to have a little bit of a mound when I do my concrete. But again, that's up to you. Every situation is different. Let the post dry overnight. Come back the following day and reattach the fence panels to the new post with outdoor screws, or they even make brackets that you can use to attach the panels to the new post. And if the post was too tall, I'll mark it with my speed square and a marker, and then I'll use a saw to carefully cut off the excess height on the new post so it's even with the other posts. And then you can paint it or stain it or seal it if you wish to make it last longer. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.